let's learn few of the concepts which we have already learned through some exercise. Over here, I am having few questions like fill in the blanks. With these sentences, we will learn multiple concepts altogether, right? So concentrate and listen carefully. When I'm talking about this sentence, we will focus on few of the concepts including pronoun, conjugation of the verb, and which which verb is to be used. Okay, so concept of verb also. So we will learn basically three concepts in these four questions, starting with Sara dash estudiar. Estudiar is a verb which means to study. Cinco means 5. Asignatures means chapters, right? So over here, first we will talk about the pronoun Sara. So we are talking about the third person. When we are talking about the third person, the pronoun is el aya usted, right? So when we talk about el aya usted, the name is Sara. We are talking about a girl, third person. So we will use aya, right? So she is now aya. Okay. We have to fill over here. AR ending verb है, इसको conjugate करेंगे. So yo estudio, tú estudias, and él ella usted estudia, right? So what will come over here? Sara estudia. Okay, this is the conjugated form of AR ending verb. Cinco asignaturas. So over here we learned three concepts: pronoun, conjugated form, and how to use and how to relate these. Fine. Now we come to the next. Mi hermano. For learn the vocabulary together with it also. Mi hermano dash beber mucho agua. My brother. This is brother. My brother. So we are talking about again the third person, not me, not you, third person. My brother is third person. Brother है तो pronoun कौन सा लगेगा? L, right? Beber means to drink. So my brother drink. L है pronoun. ER ending verb है, conjugate करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? Bebe. So yo bebo, tú bebes, él bebe. So this will be bebe. Mucho is much, a lot. Agua is water. So my brother drinks a lot of water. Right? Now come to the next. Donde. Estar is the verb. We have to find out the conjugation of this verb. Los chicas. This is a very interesting question and you will learn a lot with this single question. First thing, it's a question because question mark is there, right? Second thing, we are talking about los chicas. So los chicas means the plural and third person. That means the pronoun will be ayos, ayas, ustedes. We are talking about chicas. So pronoun will be ayas. Pronoun is ayas. We are talking about the los chicas. Ayas, verb is estar, to be. Now, estar verb का conjugation, when we talk about the conjugation, yo estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están. So for ayas, ayos, ustedes, the conjugated form of estar verb is están. So over here we will write están. So donde están los chicas, right? What is the meaning of this sentence? Where are the girls? Right? So donde, where? Okay, so over here we learned multiple things. Now next, dash Ser verb is to be used. La una y treinta. When we talk about the time, it is the time. La una y treinta means 1:30. 1:30. So when we talk about, I already told you, over here we will talk about location. Where are the girls? So we used estar. Over here we are talking about the time. So we will use ser. Right? Now when we are talking about the time, it becomes S. Because we are talking about the time. So this is the rule. Es la una y treinta. Fine. So this is the way, with these 4 sentences we have learned a lot of grammatical logic and rule also. So in the next class I'll let you know a few more rules in the same way. So this is the practical way to practice all the rules and logics. Thank you.